Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution again. Today in this video, as part of the Linux Advanced Interview Question Series, we're going to see another very interesting and very important interview question on this is really advanced interview questions that can be asked during the Linux interviews. Okay, so the interview question for today's topic is what is the process ID of root and then can you terminate it? Okay, first of all, let's see that process ID of root. What is process ID of root and can you terminate it? Okay, first of all, you should know what is the process ID of root itself. Okay, so now let's see what is the process ID of root and then how to check the process ID. All right, so now let's go back and check. Yeah, sorry. Let's go back and check the answer for this one. So the answer process ID of root is one, and you cannot terminate it. Okay, so what do you mean by this one? So let's go back and check the answer for this one. So let's see how it's going to be checking. Okay, now if you wanted to see that all the processes, right? So let's see kind of how to check the process of all the currently running processes. ps-ef is the command which is used to see all the process is running in this Linux. Okay, as you can see, the root is having the process ID of 1. Okay, so the answer for this question is the process ID of a root is 1 always. Okay, so the answer is the can you terminate it? Okay, let's see if we are able to terminate it. Okay, so if you wanted to show the demo of this one, so let's go back and install yum install okay, httpd and -y. So I'm going to install one httpd package. All right. Okay. So I've installed one HTTP package, which is a Apache server package, right? So I'm going to give ps-ef pipe grep httpd. Okay. So when I'm giving httpd package, that httpd process is not running. Okay. This is something which we're running on the grep. Okay. So it's showing like this. So if you want to, I'm going to start the service. The service to start the httpd is system start httpd. All right. Okay. So now I started it. Now if you can go back and check the process ID of this one and so ps-ef that get httpd, so we are going to see that the process has been running with the process ID of 9063. Okay, now this is the process ID of this particular service. Now let's kill it. You know how to kill the kill -9. Okay, so then 9063 is for something. I'm just going to killing it and then I'm going to check that ps-ef again. Look, the process is not running. The Apache process, whatever has been executed, is not running now. Okay, so similarly we can go back and check that root, right? So let's go back and check ps-ef. Okay, and then we can see the root. Okay, so we can see the root of PID for this root is going to be 1. All right. Okay, now I'm going to kill -9. Okay, the root, which is the process ID of 1. So if you can kill it, then as you can see here, okay, so it's not going to be killing. Okay, so the process ID of root is already always be running. Okay, so this is what the answer for this question is, like, so the process ID of the root is 1 and you cannot delete it. Okay, so that's what the answer for this question, guys. So hope you like this video, and this particular if you find this video is really helpful, please stay tuned with our series, and we are going to post a lot of interesting real-time and advanced interview questions on this in this series. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video.